Reynolds.
Just one fish, and then we can go pick the winners. Just one. Got him. First fish of the day. Holy cow. I've thrown the kitchen sink at him. Finally got one. Nice big bluegill. All right. Let's check him out. First fish of the day right here. Yeah, we got about a 7-inch bluegill. Yeah, good looking fish. Took me a while to get this one. That's it. Let's go back to the studio and pick some winners. Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. We're in the studio today and we're gonna pick 4 giveaway winners. Alright, if you saw the video how I like to do something nice when people are jerks and you left a comment, you are now entered to win. And we actually have a 4th prize pack because the original winner never claimed it. Hold on tight, we got a lot of winners to pick. Good luck to everyone. Alright, we're going to load the comments here. $583 comments. Not too bad. Before I start picking some winners, we're going to see what's up for grabs. The first prize pack up for grabs, 7.5-inch culprits. Got plastic worms there. Also a Booyah XCS in Crawdad. And a 6th Sense Crush 100. These 3 are up for grabs right now. Let's pick a winner.
What's up? This is Dixon with the Rockin' Wrestling Federation, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Let's pick a winner. The winner is Chris Stokes. Too bad people don't spend more time fishing and less time trolling. I would say they need a hobby, but it's even worse when they do have a hobby and they're still trolls. Alright, Chris, you just won prize pack number 1, 6 Sense Booyah Culprit. Chris, send me an email. realisticfishing@gmail.com. Get me that shipping information and we'll take it from there. Congratulations, Chris Stokes. You are a winner. I got so many winners this time I need to write them down. Chris Stokes. Alright, prize pack number 1, Chris Stokes. Now let's move on to the next one. For prize pack number 2, we have a Storm Wigglewort original series, a Chatterbait Weedless Project Z, and a pack of Biospawn Plasma Tails. Let's pick a lucky winner for this pack. Alright, let's try that again. Can I get lined up? What the hell is happening? There we go. The winner for prize pack number 2, Catfishing Chris. Alright, Catfishing Chris, he says, the Rage Menace makes a good swim bait or swim jig trailer. That Rage Menace is going to be in giveaway pack number 3. But anyway, Chris, send me an email. realisticfishing@gmail.com. get me that shipping information and claim prize pack number 2. Congratulations once again, Catfishing Chris. Let me write it down. Two winners down, 2 more to go. Guys, make sure you send me that email. I don't know why, but some people just don't claim the giveaway when they win. So, Catfishing Chris and Chris Stokes, make sure you send me that email. We'll move on to the last 2 prize packs after this.
Yo, this is a Psycho Medic, member of the Assassins of Souls, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Alright, for the 3rd prize pack we have Grande Fishing 5.25 Airtail Salty Sticks in Shad Spawn. We got a soft stickworm here. We also have a package of Strike King Rage Tail 4-inch Rage Menace. This is what Catfishing Chris was talking about in his comment. And a pack of Guggen Baits Rattlin' Ned in Black Flash. I can hear him rattling. Prize pack number 3. Let's pick another lucky winner. My aim is so off today. Here we go. The winner is Henry Chin. Haters will be haters. Screw them. Keep on keeping on. Hey Henry, that's exactly what I plan on doing. You just won prize pack number 3, Henry. Send me an email, realisticfishing@gmail.com. Get me that shipping information, and we'll get these baits out to you. Congratulations once again, Henry Chin. Let's get your name written down. Running out of room on my desk here. That's 3 down and 1 to go. The final prize pack consists of an original rattle trap, a Lunker Hunt Yappa Bug, and a Bomber FW Model A. That's the freshwater series. Let's pick winner number 4. And the winner is Rich Lex. He says, keep doing what you're doing. We all appreciate it. This is the only fishing channel I subscribe to because it's the only one that keeps it realistic. Thank you. Alright, Rich Lex, send me an email. Send it to realisticfishing@gmail.com. Get me that shipping information, and we'll take it from there, because I want you to claim your prize pack. Congratulations one more time, Rich Lex.
This is Kenny South from Rock and Wrestling Federation. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Better keep it realistic.
Let's get your name written down so I don't get the prize packs mixed up. That's all 4 winners. We are done for now with the giveaways. And if you didn't win, don't worry. I always do plenty of giveaways on this channel because I really appreciate everyone who watches and subscribes. Keep in mind, I also do random giveaways on some videos, and you never know which ones I'll pick, so if you leave a comment on any video, you just might win. Thanks to everyone who participated in this giveaway. We got 4 lucky winners here: Rich Lex, Henry Chin, Catfishing Chris, and Chris Stokes. Congratulations one more time to all 4 of you, and just remember this. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.